Today is Monday, February 3rd, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And there is an area of low pressure moving through southern Canada that's dragging a cold front along, and that has been producing a swath of snow from Wisconsin to Michigan over to western New York, mainly actually across southern Ontario. It's kind of barely brushing western New York, but that area of snow is certainly causing some headaches this morning. We also have some mild weather in the south. That is a nice change, and some sunshine. So good weather in the south, wintry weather in the north. It's kind of how things should be, right? And not like they were a couple of weeks ago when it was snowing down in the south. That is not the way it's supposed to be. But finally, a nice, comfortable start to the day. In fact, in parts of the southern plains, temperatures today will be running 15 to 20 degrees warmer than normal. That's ahead of this cold front. That'll sort of balance things out here for the rest of the week. Watch out through the Ohio River Valley for Wednesday, Thursday. Our model's showing some rain that could go over some colder air and cause some icy conditions for the middle of the week. So we're going to keep a close eye on that. Overall today, though, the swath of snow that moved through this morning is kind of exiting off to the east pretty quickly. We got colder temperatures behind the cold front, not so bad out ahead of it, but a lot of these temperature readings are early highs with temperatures actually falling through the rest of the day. Lots of clouds, though, through the Midwest and into the Northeast today. You go just south of that, actually it's a really nice day from Cincinnati to Louisville with temperatures in the upper 60s. Nashville and Memphis, we're in the low 70s. Same for you over there in St. Louis. With the storm track cutting right through the northern half of the United States, you get the warm fronts, you get the cold fronts, you get big temperature swings. And that's what you can see. So temperatures falling today, it's going to be a colder day tomorrow, then the temperatures come up a little bit here. Again, middle of the week is where we could see some icy conditions developing for parts of the Midwest. That moves away, and then it turns colder here for the upcoming weekend. Same deal for Chicago. Falling temperatures today, colder Tuesday, maybe a bit of an icy mix or some snow middle of the week, and then I think we're solidly colder here for the upcoming weekend. As we slide down to the southeast, highs generally in the 60s to around 70. Atlanta, you're standing out there with sunshine and a high of 71 degrees. Mid-70s today, New Orleans with a mixture of sun and clouds. Look at Dallas over there at 81 degrees today with lots of sunshine. Finally, some warmth down in Florida after a couple of cold weeks, really kind of a cold January. 80 degrees for both Tampa and Miami this afternoon. Looking at the temperature trend in the southeast, we got those ups and downs here too. So climbing into the low 70s tomorrow, a little bit cooler Wednesday, then back up into the low 70s for the end of the week. Nice day in Fort Lauderdale. The humidity is up today as well. So it's a nice morning. It'll be sunny and warm this afternoon. 80, dew point right around 70. That humidity actually makes it feel pretty warm when the sun is shining, and actually makes it feel not as cool when the temperatures begin to fall. So it should feel pretty comfortable later on this evening. Lots of upper 70s and even some low 80s here in the 7-day forecast, kind of making up for that January, which was not so great for those in South Florida. So that is your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great start to their week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.